Hello students, welcome to Suchita's Elegant English class. Today we are going to read chapter 6 of NCERT English textbook Honeycomb of class 7. The name of the chapter is Expert Detectives. So, Expert Detective is basically a story about two very brilliant and curious siblings, Maya and Nishad. And the story is written by Sharada Dwivedi. This story has been taken from a book written by Sharada Dwivedi. The name of the book is The Broken Flute. The Broken Flute is a touching story about human relationship. Let's get some information about Sharada Dwivedi. Sharada Dwivedi was born in 1942. She was a Mumbai-based author, historian and researcher. She wrote several books on the history and culture of both Indian and Mumbai. She was on the panel on the Mumbai Heritage Conservation Committee. She died on 6 February 2012. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to interrogate, how to collect information, how to be sensitive towards poor, and how to make notes. Let us first see the characters of the lesson. There is a 7-year-old boy called Nishad. He is also called 7. Nishad means a note in musical instrument. It is a 7th note and that is why he is called as 7. Maya, who is Nishad's sister and she is 10 years old. Mr. Nath is a lonely, suspicious man. And Ramesh is waiter. Now this story is about how Maya and Nishad, their summer vacation is going on, and in their neighborhood lives a man whose name is Mr. Nath. Now Nishad and Maya are brothers and sisters. They are very curious to know about Mr. Nath. So they start interrogation about Mr. Nath. They collect lot of information about him. Maya thinks that Mr. Nath is a crook, whereas Nishad doesn't agree with her. And so they argue with each other. For argument, Nishad puts a number of points in front of his sister Maya. Nishad thinks that Mr. Nath is poor. Nishad doesn't believe him to be a criminal. Nishad, who is also called as 7, thinks that he is so thin because he is poor and can't afford to eat. Mr. Mehta told him that he doesn't work anywhere, so how can he have money for food? So Nishad doesn't agree with this. He is angry on this because he is soft-hearted towards the man. Whereas on the other hand, Maya thinks Mr. Nath is a crook on the run. He is running from police. Maya is confident that he is a criminal. Maya thinks that he has million rupees and answers him that Ramesh brings him meals. She thinks that he must have hidden money, silver and gold in a trunk in his room. She is confident that she is right and she cannot make mistake. So it's their summer holidays and the school is going to open. On the very first day, there is a heavy rain, so they have a holiday. Now they were discussing about the man, the stranger, Mr. Nath. And Maya has written some information that she had collected about Mr. Nath. So she has jotted down some points. Like she has written that the name of the stranger is Mr. Nath. But They did not know his first name. Second, she writes down, he lives in room number 10 of Shankar house. People over there believe that he was strange and mad. His scar on the face might be because he was on a run. He is very unfriendly and speaks very less. He doesn't receive any guests or letters. He is totally lonely. He doesn't go out for work. All the day he stays at his home only. He doesn't come out also. Ramesh, a waiter from nearby restaurant, brings meals for him 2 times a day. One is lunch, another is dinner, and also brings tea 2 times, one in the morning, another in the evening. And Mr. Nath pays all in cash, and every time he gives him good tips to Ramesh. To Ramesh he gives him good tips. Though nobody comes to his house, but there is only one visitor who comes on every Sundays. The visitor looks tall. He is stout. Stout means healthy. He is fair and wears glasses. He comes on every Sundays for lunch. Maya feels that the Sunday visitor might be a partner in the crime, and he comes on every Sunday to take his share of whatever is hidden in the room of Mr. Nath. Although Nishad had a soft corner towards the man, and he doesn't agree with Maya. Once he gets an opportunity to meet him when he went to his mother's clinic. His mother is a doctor, and he felt sorry when he saw the gaunt figure, means a weak figure of Mr. Nath. His mother told him that he is a patient over there and comes there for treatment. And she also said that he was very polite. So Nishad wanted to be friended with him. He wanted to make friendship with him. So in the evening he went to his house to offer him chocolates. And when Maya heard that he has gone to his room, she is very angry. She becomes very angry. Though many a times Nishad tried to get inside and peep into the room of Mr. Nath when he was playing marbles. He used to deliberately throw marbles there so that he can go to his room. But he never got the opportunity to go inside the room of Mr. Nath. So these 2 children, small children, no? How nicely they had collected all the information. How nicely they had discussed with each other. How nicely point-wise they have noted down, jotted down the points about collected information, jotted down the points about Mr. Nath. And this makes them expert detective. Children, we can also learn, no? When we want to make some small notes, when we study, we listen to the teacher, then during that time we should also jot down some points and make notes. So we will learn in a better way. I hope the story is clear to you. Now let us check it out. Say whether you agree or disagree with these points. Nishad gets a chance to see Mr. Nath when his marble ball rolls into Mr. Nath's room. Did he get the chance? Yes, once he got the chance. So I agree. Maya did not like that Nishad went to see Mr. Nath alone. Yes, she also wanted to go and see what is there in Mr. Nath's room. So when she came to know that Nishad has gone all alone to Mr. Nath's room, she was very angry. Mr. Nath was a person of few words. Yes, I agree. Nishad believed that Mr. Nath was a crook. No, I don't agree, because Nishad had a soft corner towards Mr. Nath. The unexpected holiday at school was on account of riots in the city. No, it was not because of the riots, but it was because of heavy rains. Kids in Shankar house and even some grown-ups were afraid of Mr. Nath. Yes, I agree. Maya was keen to become friends with Mr. Nath, to know more about him. No. She wanted to be friend with Mr. Nath, to know more about him, but she never got an opportunity. Nishad finally agrees to Maya's opinion of Mr. Nath. Yes, this is true. Now let's go to some question and answers. Why was Nishad called 7? Nishad was called 7 because his name started with 7th musical scale. How old was Nishad's sister? Nishad's sister was 10 years old. How did Nishad get a chance to see Mr. Nath? Nishad's marble rolled into Mr. Nath's room, thus he got a chance to see Mr. Nath. Maya thought Mr. Nath was a crook. Why? Because he lived alone and he didn't meet anyone. Who used to bring the meal for Mr. Nath? Ramesh used to bring meal for Mr. Nath. Why was Nishad disappointed with Mr. Nath? Because he did not have any friends. How did Mr. Nath's visitor look? He was tall, fair, stout, and wore spectacles. Now there's an assignment for you all children. What does Nishad find out about Mr. Nath from Ramesh? Arrange the information as suggested below. What he eats, when he eats, what he drinks, and when, how he pays. So we have already discussed what he eats. So you must be aware that he eats simple food, chapati, dal, vegetables, right? When does he eat? He eats 2 times a day, lunch and dinner. What he drink and when? He drinks tea. And how many times? 2 times. One in the morning, another in the evening. How he pays? He pays cash to Ramesh. So children, that was all about this lesson. Thank you very much.